plea. Give heed to me and answer me. I wander alone in my complaints. Oh, because of the noise of the enemy, because of the outcry of the wicked, for they bring their wickedness upon me, and in wrath they hate me. My heart is pained within me, and the fears of death have fallen upon me. Fear and trembling have come upon me, and shame covers me. Oh, and I said, would you give me wings like a dove? I would fly away and be at rest. See, I would wander far off. I would lodge in the wilderness. Selah. I would hasten my escape from the raging wind and storm. Confuse, O Yahuah, divide their tongues. For I saw violence and strife in the city. Day and night they go around it on its walls. Wickedness and trouble are also in the midst of it, coverings in its midst. Oppression and deceit do not vanish from its streets. It is not an enemy who reproaches me that I could bear. Oh, 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 nor one who hates me, who is making himself great against me, then I could hide from him. But it was you, a man my equal, my companion and my friend. We took sweet counsel together. We walked to the house of Elohim in the throng. Let death come upon them. Let them go down into the grave alive. For evil is in their dwellings, in their midst. I call upon Elohim, and Yahuah saves me. Evening and morning, and at noon I complain and moan, and he hears my voice. He has redeemed my life in peace from the battle against me, for there were many against me. Oh, them, Selah. Those with whom there are no changes, those who do not revere Elohim. He has put forth his hands against those who are at peace with him. He has broken his covenant. His mouth was smoother than cuts, yet in his heart is fighting. His words were softer than oil, but they are drowned swords. Cast your burden on Yahuah, let him sustain you. He never allows the righteous to be shaken. For you, Elohim, bring them down to the pit of destruction. Men of blood and deceit do not reach half their days, but I trust in you.